Alright, so last round is rapid fire round. Alright? So 2.5 minutes to answer 10 questions. 15 points for each correct answer, so you can score 150 points in total in this round. And no negative marking, no passing to the other table. Team with highest points goes first. So Blue House, you're going first. Are you ready? Can I have a timer, sir? Anyone? No, it starts from the team with the highest points. 150 seconds. Stopwatch or alarm or anything on your phone, you have a stopwatch. Just keep it and we'll start and you will say when the time is up, okay? So, alright, can you go to the next slide? Start. Blue House. Penguins are mammals, true or false?
False.
Next. Which animal's name comes from the Greek word for water horse? Which animal's name comes from the Greek word for water horse?
Seahorse.
Pass. Who became the president of South Africa after being in jail for 27 years? Nelson Mandela, right answer. Which famous scientist wrote the book A Brief History of Time from the Big Bang to Black Holes? Brief History of Time. Pass. Animals which eat both plants and animals are known as what?
Omnivores.
Omnivores, right answer. Which wonder of the world was built by Shah Jahan? Which wonder of the world was built by Taj Mahal, right answer. What is the total number of function keys on a computer keyboard? Function keys on it, 12 is the right answer. Which strong acid is found in the human stomach?
Hydrochloric acid.
Hydrochloric acid is the right answer. On the bonnet of which car would you find the spirit of ecstasy? Okay, so this side. See this side, this side. On the bonnet of which car would you find the spirit of ecstasy? Okay, pass. Spell ecstasy. Don't look that side. Spell ecstasy. Spell ecstasy.
ECSTXY.
Wrong. Alright, so you had passed on which famous scientist wrote the book A Brief History of Time? Pass again. On the bonnet of which car would you find the spirit of ecstasy? Time? Okay, you still have time. Which famous scientist wrote the book A Brief History of Time? On the bonnet of which car would you find the spirit of ecstasy? No answer?
Time's up, sir.
Alright, time's up. Let's reveal the answers and let's see how many right Blue House got. The first answer false. You said false, right?
Yes.
So first answer is correct. The second answer, water horse, is hippopotamus. You said seahorse, which was the wrong answer. Nelson Mandela again was the right answer. Brief History of Time was written by Stephen Hawking. Omnivores was the right answer, so you had 3 so far. Taj Mahal 4. 12 function keys 5. Hydrochloric acid 6. And 6. So they scored 6 right, and that is 90 points. Okay?
Yes. 6 right.
6 right answers, so 90 points. Second highest points were for Greenhouse, right? Okay, look at me. Don't look at the screen, okay? No looking on the screen. Can you go to the next slide? Time, sir. Ready? A human baby has more bones than an adult. True or false?
True, sir.
True, right answer. What is the group of fish called? Pass. In which country would you find the Leaning Tower of Pisa? In which country would you find the Leaning Tower of Pisa? Italy is the right answer. When light bends as it enters a different medium, the process is known as what? The bending of light when it enters a different medium. Refraction is the right answer. Which Egyptian monarch's tomb was discovered intact by Howard Carter in 1922? Which Egyptian monarch's tomb? Pass. Who gave Gandhiji the title of Mahatma? Who gave Gandhiji the title of Mahatma? Pass. What is the full form of IBM? IBM. Pass. What is the SI unit of force? Newton is the right answer. What is the polygon with 5 sides called? Pentagon is the right answer. Spell acquaintance. Spell acquaintance. Acquaintance.
AUUENTANCE.
Wrong. Let's go. Don't look at the screen. What is the group of fish called? Soul. Wrong answer. Which Egyptian monarch's tomb was discovered intact by Howard Carter in 1922? Full form of IBM. IBM. Pass. Who gave Gandhiji the title of Mahatma? Pass. Again, I'll go from the top. What is the group of fish called? Okay, you already said that wrong already. Which Egyptian monarch's tomb was discovered intact by Howard Carter in 1922? Pass. Who gave Gandhiji the title of Mahatma? What is the full form of IBM? Alright, let's reveal the answers. The first answer, true, babies have more bones than adults. So one correct answer. A school is a group of fish, not a shool. A school. Leaning tower of Pisa is an 8 lead, so right answer 2. Refraction is when light bends as it enters a different medium. Correct, so that's 3. Tutankhamun's tomb was found by Howard Carter. Rabindranath Tagore gave Gandhiji the title of Mahatma. IBM stands for International Business Machine Corporation. Newton is the SI unit of force, so that's 4. Pentagon is 5. So greenhouse had 5 right answers. Alright, so the next house is red. No looking at the screen, just look at me, okay? Time ready? Look at me, just look at me, don't look at the screen. Ozone is good in the upper atmosphere but bad in the lower. True or false? True is the right answer. Earth is located in which galaxy? Earth is located in which galaxy? Milky Way galaxy, right answer. Which country was earlier called Burma? Myanmar is the correct answer. Radium was discovered by Pierre Curie and Dash. Radium was discovered by Pierre Curie and whom? Pass. The Indian Sepoy Mutiny was a revolt against British rule in which year? The Indian Sepoy Mutiny. Sepoy Mutiny was a revolt against British rule in which year? The first revolt against British rule was in which year? Pass. Which religion that originated in India has 2 main groups called the Digambars and the Swetambars? Which religion that originated in India has 2 groups, the Digambars and the Swetambars? Jainism is the right answer. Jack Dorsey is the CEO and co-founder of which microblogging company? Jack Dorsey is the CEO and co-founder of which microblogging company? Or social media company? Jack Dorsey. Jack Dorsey is the CEO and founder of which social media company? YouTube is the wrong answer. What is the SI unit of pressure? Pass. Capital of Manipur? Imphal is the right answer. Spell location? Correct. Again, going from the top. Radium was discovered by Pierre Curie and whom? Radium was discovered by Pierre Curie and whom? His wife. Pierre Curie's wife was Sepoy Mutiny was a revolt against British rule in which year? First Sepoy revolt. First revolt against British rule was in which year? Wrong. SI unit of pressure? Pass. Okay, time is up. Let's see the answers. Ozone, the first answer was true, right? Milky Way galaxy, right? Burma is Myanmar, right again. Pierre Curie's wife was Mary Curie who discovered radio. Okay? 1857 was the first revolt for independence. Okay? Jainism is Shvetambars and Digambars. Twitter was founded by Jack Dorsey. Twitter. Pascal is the SI unit of pressure. Imphal, you said, right?
Yes.
Was capital of is the capital of Manipur, and occasion spelling is right. So 6 questions right for runners. So yellow house, let's see if you can take all 10 and maybe go past the other houses. Alright, we ready? No, you had 6 right. True. Milky Way. Myanmar. Jainism. Okay. Yellow house ready? And we have the timer. Next slide. Just look here, don't look at the screen. The Eiffel Tower can be 15 centimeters taller in summer. True or false? Eiffel Tower can be 15 centimeters taller in summers. True or false? Pass. Pass. Name the second highest mountain peak in the world. Mount Everest is the highest, which is the second highest. K2 is the right answer. Typically, what is the longest and strongest bone in the human body? Femur is the right answer. Typically, what is the full form of WWW?
World Wide Web.
World Wide Web is the right answer. Which is the smallest country in the world in terms of area? Smallest country in the world. Starts with a V.
Vatican City.
Vatican City is the right answer. In Roman numerals, what number is represented by the letter C? What company was founded in 1975 by Bill Gates and Paul Allen? Microsoft is the right answer. Theory of general relativity and theory of special relativity was given by whom? Which country is known as the land of midnight sun?
Land of
Midnight sun. रात को 12 बजे भी सूरज दिखता है. Spell tuition. Tuition. Wrong. The Eiffel Tower can be 15 centimeters taller in summer. True or false? The Eiffel Tower can be 15 centimeters taller in summers. True is the right answer. Okay, done. In Roman numerals, what is represented by the letter C? X represents 10, C represents 100 is the right answer. Theory of general relativity and theory of special relativity was given by whom? Which scientist gave theory of relativity? E is equal to mc square. Albert Einstein is the right answer. Which country is known as the land of the midnight sun? Any other question left for passing?
Time's up.
Time's up. Let's see the answer. Okay. Eiffel Tower can be 15 centimeters taller in summers because of thermal expansion of metal heat. Mount K2 or Godwin-Austen is the second highest mountain peak. Feather or thigh bone is the strongest and longest bone. World Wide Web is WWW. Vatican City is the smallest country. 100 is C. Microsoft is Paul Allen and Bill Gates. Albert Einstein's theory of relativity. So you had 8 right and 2 wrong. Tuition spelling is Tuition. Alright, so 8 right answers for Yellow House, the highest by 80. Okay, greenhouse, you had one more right answer, the shoal or school is right. So you have plus 15. So you had how many then?
Actually, we should have said shoal of fish. We only said shoal. Shoal of fish. He just asked the connectivity. Not wrong. Not wrong.
They had 5, right?
School. He went on saying school. No, it's okay.
So greenhouse, your total number of right answers was 6, right? Including shoal. 6. Alright, so with that, we have come to the end of our quiz. Can we go to the next slide, sir? And let's just wait for the points to be totaled.
Oh, it's so.
So,
It was sad. It was very enterprising. Entertaining.
alright, so we have the scores now with us. At the 4th position, with a total of 225 points, is Yellow House. Yellow House is the team that performed the best in the rapid fire round. Congratulations on them. And on the 3rd place is with 300 points, Red House. Played very well. The runner-up for today's quiz is with 375 points, not Blue House, but Green House. 375 points. Runner-up. And taking the biggest lead in the buzzer round and going forward and never stopping again was Blue House with 450 points.
So we answered 6 questions. Yes, given 90.
The
75 plus 9.
They answered 6, sir.
It's 465.
Correction, Blue House has 65 points, right? Alright then.
Dear students and the teachers present here, it was a nerve-cracking quiz. Did you all enjoy?
Yes, ma'am.
We are going a step ahead for the felicitation program of awarding certificates as well as the medals. Let us all cheer up for all of you because you are the participants. Without you, things would not have been materialized. I call on Deepika madam to call up the names of the students. Mr. Sir will call and madam will take up and give the certificates. Come on, sir.
From Greenhouse, you can just bring it here so that the camera captures it. We capture it.
From Greenhouse, Preetham Mandal.
And metal, Greenhouse came second, right? So, silver medal.
From Greenhouse, Kumar Bhaskar. Next is Kumar Achal.
Let's clap, students. Let us give a big clap. Next we go on to those how we participate. Let's give clap for everyone.
From Red House, Bappa Ganesh.
Stand up. Stand up, so that becomes easy. Yeah, come forward this side. Shubham.
Next is Shubham Agrawal from Red House. Riya Singh from Red House. Now we have Yellow House, from Yellow House, Satyam Kumar.
Krishna नाम है कितना?
Next, Harish Kumar Agrawal. And next is Afroz Alam.
All three. Yeah, for a camera. Sir, आप भी रहिए सर.
And our winner team is Blue House. From Blue House, Shubham Kumar Yadav. Aditya Kumar from Blue House. Shubham Yadav is the quiz master of the day. And next is Aman Prasad.
Look at the camera. Hold your certificates. Hold your certificates. Look there.
Runner-up team.
Yeah, Ramana.
And finally, the champion team is Blue House. Winner team is Blue House.